Hello, Alex, and welcome to this video. My name is Viviana, and today I want to share with you 3 things that you can do to increase the traffic to your website and that can result in the growth of your business. So let's get into this. First of all, let's start with content. So content is anything that you have on your website, and that can be text, images, or videos. So right now you have, well, the different products and services that you provide. One thing that you could do is actually increase, because right now, increase the content. Right now, your front page has 69 words. So you can actually increase the content and make it more easy to anyone trying to reach out to you. So include more click to call buttons or contact us form, and include more details and description of the services that you provide. And it is important because the content is how Google finds you. So if you have to include the relevant keywords in here so that Google can find you. Let's have a look at your competitors. A1 Garage Doors, this is their landing page for Las Vegas. As you can see, they have a lot more content. Right now they have close to 2,000 words, just this landing page. And then Precision Door Service, similar story, they have 923 words. So definitely this is something that you can do, include more and more relevant keywords. And what we mean by keywords is, when I came here to Google search, I type in garage door repair Las Vegas, which is a buyer intent keyword, and it's what people type in when they want to buy a product or a service. So the first thing, so there are 3 sections. The first one is the Google Ads. They are good at driving traffic, but if they are not done correctly, they can be very expensive. And some people have the ability to turn them off in their browser, so they just skip them altogether. Now, the second section is the Google Maps, and they are having a massive impact on businesses because they are driving 40% of the traffic. Now, to rank at the top, you need 3 things. You need pictures, you need reviews, and you need citations. And citations is anywhere your business is listed on a directory showing the name, the address, and the phone number. And the important thing is they have to be exactly the same as your Google business profile so that Google can verify you and can rank you at the top. Now, the third section is the Google Organic Search. And here I skip this one because these ones are directories. So these 2 are businesses. To rank at the top, you need something called backlinks, that we call backlinks. And to analyze that, we use a tool called Ahrefs that shows us the back end of the website. So right now I am looking at yours and saying to me that you are not being ranked for any organic keywords and that there are no backlinks. And a backlink is anywhere on internet, on a website, that has a link that is directing traffic to yours. So basically it's saying that to me that there are no websites, external websites with links directing traffic to your website. So Google basically is not being able to find you because there are no organic keywords and there are no backlinks. Let's have a look at your competitors. A1 Garage Doors, they are being ranked for 107 keywords, and there are 356 backlinks on 85 referring domains. Precision Doors, they are being ranked for 3,100 keywords, and there are 2,400 backlinks in 594 referring domains. Now, the important thing that I want to mention here is that not all backlinks are created equal, and that means that if a backlink is sitting on a website that is relevant to your niche, to your industry, or to your services, to the services that you provide, then Google is actually going to give you more points for that, and it's going to rank you at the top. Now, let's have a look at the keywords. I cannot show you yours because you don't have any, but let's have a look at the ones that A1 Garage Doors has. So just looking at the first 2, this dashboard shows me the keywords that this website is being found for. Now, the number of times, the volume is the number of times this keyword is searched for in any given month. And this position column is showing me the position in which this website is appearing in the Google search. So anywhere beyond the 10th position means that they are already on the second page. But look at the number. Look, they are ranking for quite a high number of keywords, and they are on the top positions. So just looking at the first 2, Garage Door Repair Las Vegas and Las Vegas Garage Door Repair, excuse me, these 2 terms were searched for 3,500 times per month, meaning that they were in front, this website was in front of 3,500 people on a month. And then a percentage of those who click on that link to that website actually reach out to them, and then a percentage of those, they, depending on their closing rate, they were able to convert into customers. So basically, when you're able to drive more traffic to your website, means that you are able to convert more customers, which translates into more revenue for you. So that's why it is important to rank at the top for the Google search. If you like what you saw in this video, I invite you to arrange a one-on-one in-depth consultation with me. My details are at the bottom of this email. And thank you so much for watching. I just ask some feedback in return. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.